Students, whatever homework is given to you, you have to submit it on the very next day between 8 am to 1 pm to the given WhatsApp number, and it is compulsory to submit your homework as your attendance will be marked on the basis of your submission.
Dear students, myself R.S. Goswami from KGK Higher Secondary School. Today, I am going to teach you Economics of Standard 12, Chapter number 8, Agriculture. And topic is Measures to Increase Agriculture Productivity. In the last lecture, I explained what is productivity of land. Per hectare production in a year is known as productivity of land. Once again, per hectare production of a land in a year is known as productivity of land. In India, productivity in agriculture is less because of so many reasons. I have already explained. Now here, how or which steps increase the productivity of agriculture. So in the last lecture, already explained two. One is the technical factors, second is institutional factors, and today others. In others, here modern agriculture, green revolution, multiple cropping, technological factors, economic factors, crop protection, and agriculture research. By using all these, we can increase the productivity in agriculture. The first one, modern agriculture. As you know, the main occupation of Indian is agriculture. More than 50% people involved directly or indirectly in agriculture. But Indian farmers use traditional tools for agriculture. That means old technology, simple tools, simple machinery, bullock, then plough, and because of all that, the productivity is less. But present time, we use modern technology in agriculture. That means we use latest machinery, irrigation facility, insecticide or pesticide, fertilizers, that means chemical fertilizers, and tractor, thresher, pump machine, submersible. And by using all these, we can improve or we can increase the productivity of agriculture. So present time, Indian farmer start using modern technology in agriculture, and because of that, productivity increase. Now here, second one, green revolution. At the time of independence, there was less productivity in agriculture. India was agrarian country and we import the production of food grains. It was very sad. So in 1968, we tried to increase the productivity in agriculture by using green revolution. And in green revolution, we use improved seeds, chemical based fertilizers, pesticide or insecticide, irrigation facilities, and different kind of machineries. So by using all these, we can increase the productivity in agriculture. So here, in green revolution, especially in Punjab, Haryana, Delhi, Uttar Pradesh, they use latest technology, machinery, improved seeds or hybrid seeds. Irrigation facility by canals, by dams, check dams, tube wells. The government provides the training to the farmer how to use the pesticide. And for purchasing the pesticide, government provides the loans to the farmers. Electrification in the villages, and because of that, they can get the facility of irrigation by tube wells. So, by using the Green Revolution in India, productivity in agriculture increase. Multiple cropping. Here, two main types of the crops. One is cash crop and second is food grains. After independence, especially after 70, the farmer become commercial. They produce more and more cash crops because high price, more income. Other side, some farmers produce food grains, different kind of the pulses, wheat, rice, millet, jowar, etc. And other side cash crop, cotton, then oil seeds, sugarcane, tobacco. So here multi-cropping. Earlier, most of the farmer growing only wheat or rice or pulses. But after Green Revolution, the farmers start to produce cash crop as well as food grain. So they changes in their terms. Turn by turn, they change the crops. That is known as multi-cropping. Here, by using multi-cropping system, they maintain the fertility of land. And because of that, the production in agriculture increase. After that, here in multi-cropping, two things: technological factors and economic factors. In technological factors, different kind of machineries, then pesticide, insecticide, chemical fertilizers, irrigation facilities. By using all these, they produce more and more. Economic factor. After growing the cash crop, in the market, the price of the cash crop is high, demand is high, because cash crop helps in the development of agriculture. Other side, cash crop also increase the development of industrial sector. How? Some production of agriculture used as a raw material in industrial sector. So, the demand of cash crop increase in the market. So the farmer moves to produce cash crops in place of food grains, and their income increase. So here multiple croppings. After that, crop protection is in the last lecture I told you at least 15 to 20% of production in agriculture waste because of different kind of insects. Why? The Indian farmer use less or traditional insecticide. But after Green Revolution, the farmers use insecticide or pesticide. Here the government provide training to the farmers how to use the pesticide. After getting the training, farmers are able to use pesticide in agriculture. Other side, the government provide the loans to the farmers to use the pesticide. And because of that, this 15 to 20% crops we will save. And because of that, production increase. After that, agriculture research. In India, there are so many agricultural universities. And in agriculture universities, so many agricultural scientists always do the research work. That means how to increase the productivity in agriculture. They discover hybrid seeds, and by using that, the farmers increase the productivity in agriculture. The agricultural scientists also test the soil in the laboratory and then decide which kind of minerals are available in the land and which kind of the minerals are required to increase the productivity of that land. So after searching, after the research work, the agricultural scientists provide the training to the farmers. And after that, farmers use that kind of technology for increasing the productivity in agriculture. So, students, here measures to increase agriculture productivity. The third one, that is others, and here modern agriculture, green revolution, multiple cropping, technological factors, economical factors, crop protection, and agriculture research. By using all these, we can increase the productivity in agriculture. So student, now here our topic and chapter is over. And in the board exam, from this chapter, one question of 5 marks must be asked. So, you prepare this chapter properly. Thank you very much.